What's up, YouTube? This is a quick video on Toyota Camry, like 2004. We're getting the sunroof fixed. At this point, I'm right in the middle of everything. So, first thing that I want to go through is the way that I found out how to fix this. So the sunroof was not moving, like the glass itself, but I could hear that stuff was moving somewhere in there. So step number one was remove the glass. So first got the glass out, and glass super easy is just two T30s and two T25s, and the glass comes out. Once the glass comes out, you want to get in here to check the sunroof itself. So what you want to be looking for, you will see these tracks in here, and in here there's where I found that this was sliding in there without moving these things. This is where the glass attaches to, and this was supposed to be one single piece. This was supposed to be one single piece attached to this cable of the sunroof. So I got in there and I saw that this was broken. So after that, got online, found a repair kit on Amazon for like $25, and that's what we're trying right now. We're trying to fix it because the motor works, the glass is good, the tracks are good, everything is good, and the cables work. It's just that plastic piece that broke. Now it sounds like super easy and the $25 fix, but it has turned into quite a big project, honestly. So I'm gonna go through everything that we've done right now. So step one, of course, was remove the headliner, right? As you can see, you gotta remove pillars, all three pillars, and then over here the visors, the lights, and you'll drop this. After you drop the headliner, then the whole, you remove the glass, and then the whole sunroof assembly, very easy, will be just attached with 10mm nuts, like a total of 8 or 10mm nuts and bolts, and the whole assembly comes out. Now to the room here, so we left the headliner in there, and we were able to get the sunroof assembly through the driver door with the seat reclined back, and that's how we got the whole assembly out. Now after we got the assembly out, first we checked that the plastics match and everything, but everything is held by rivets, so that's where the drill and where everything turned into a bigger project. So you need to disassemble everything in order to replace those plastic pieces. So we had to drill 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, a total of 20 rivets to disassemble everything. First, you will need to get 3 rivets out, the ones that hold the cables and the motors. It's held by 3 rivets and some silicone. So first you'll need to drill 3 on the other side, of course, and then you will need to drill 2 more over here. These 2 others hold this little, I think it's a air visor or something. You'll drill those 2. You will have to drill the stop out. There's a little rubber right here, it's like a stop, And after you remove those rivets and you get this thing out, the visor, then you will be able to slide out your cable with the motor assembly, like with everything else, right? Like that would be called, maybe that would be the regulator, right? The sunroof regulator or sunroof cable assembly, whatever. So after all those rivets out, you'll be able to get this. Now, after getting those out, we got to this point. This is what is connected from this end into the cable, and there over here is where the glass attaches to. Now, in order, the new assembly came in but without the metal cover, so it just came with plastics. And in order to get this metal cover out of the old ones, well, guess what? You got a rivet as well. So I had to drill that as well. You see right there. And then, of course, I will have to put a new rivet in there first to put everything back together. So right now, today is May 5th, 2025, and this is Nitzuga garage. Right now we are, I mean, this is not my garage, but that's the channel, of course. But right now we are at our homie's garage, Victor's garage. So Victor is our homie. He flips cars, and we've been working with him for the past couple months, helping him to flip cars, and we make money both together flipping them. So we got right here an Equinox that we've been working on, and then we got this Camry that we've been working on. We've been buying cars at the auction, and we buy them and then we work on them here and we fix them. Today's a rainy day, so I cannot be working outside, mobile mechanics, so it's, and so right now I'm waiting for him to go get a rivet gun and some rivets. Now, right now we have everything disassembled. Like, we are exactly in the middle point of this job. If this was done successfully, well, that's why you're watching this video. If this does not come successful, well, then I'm recording this for no reason. But right now the plan is to go backwards on the rivet order, rivet everything back on, put the sunroof assembly back together, put that back together, test it that it works, and once we make sure that it works, then it will go back into the Camry, and hopefully it'll be ready for sale. I believe that's really the only thing that didn't work on this one, so it should be ready to sell. So yeah, quick long video explaining this. The disassemble of everything is pretty easy, and then once you get the assembly out, it's just drilling rivets. And you want to be very careful with removing everything. Like, you want to take pictures and take your time, like do one side at a time, because you don't want to end up at a point where you don't remember how things went. So you want to take your time, take pictures, and pay attention to what you're doing, because it's not an easy project. Like, it has been quite a big project. It would have been way easier to just go to a junkyard and get the whole assembly. Which, if anybody's watching this and are having the doubts on what to do, I think that it's probably easier to just go to the junkyard and get the whole assembly and put it on. I don't know how much the whole assembly would cost, but I mean, right here we're trying to minimize expenses to maximize profits. So $20, $25 Amazon kit is gonna make it, hopefully. And yep, so that's it for today's video. This is gonna be just a record for the future me. This is a video talking especially to me in the future, hopefully also to Victor. We're both gonna be flipping cars, having a dealership, or having a shop, we're gonna be making big bucks. Big bucks. So let's get it.